Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate random IDs in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need unique identifiers for entries, whether you're tracking inventory, managing user data, or organizing any kind of database. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps are accessible. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the specific spreadsheet where you want to generate these random IDs. This could be any existing sheet you're working on, whether it's a customer database, project tracker, or any other type of spreadsheet that requires unique identifiers for each entry. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Extensions, which will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select AppScript. This powerful feature allows you to add custom functions and automation to your Google Sheets using JavaScript code. The AppScript editor will open in a new tab, giving you a blank canvas to work with. Now here's where you'll need the code to create your random ID function. I have a sample code prepared for this tutorial, so feel free to pause the video at this point and copy it exactly as shown. This code defines a custom function that Google Sheets will recognize and use to generate your random IDs. Take your time with this step to ensure you copy everything correctly. After you've copied the code, paste it directly into the AppScript editor. Once the code is in place, look for the Run button at the top of the editor and click it. This executes the code and registers your new custom function with Google Sheets. You may need to grant permissions the first time you run the script, which is completely normal. Just follow any prompts that appear to authorize the script. Now it's time to head back to your spreadsheet, click on the tab with your sheet to return to your data. In any cell where you want a random ID to appear, simply type equals random ID with opening and closing parentheses. The function should look like this, equals random ID, open parentheses, close parentheses. Press enter and wait a moment while it processes. Give it a few seconds to load, as custom functions sometimes take a brief moment to execute the first time. Once the random ID appears in your cell, you'll notice a small blue square or circle in the bottom right corner of that cell. Click and hold this blue indicator, then drag it downwards across all the rows where you need random IDs. As you drag, each cell will automatically generate its own unique random ID. This makes it incredibly efficient to populate an entire column with unique identifiers in just seconds. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom function to generate random IDs in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.